Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you fix Valorant's Secure Boot and TPM 0 error. To fix it, so you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So before that, you want to make sure that your PC supports Valorant. The easiest way to fix Vanguard TPM 2.0 in Valorant is to turn on the TPM 2.0 model and secure on your Windows PC. You'll need to go into the PC's BIOS. You need to go to your PC's BIOS and enable the feature from there. So after shutting down your PC, press the power button and then repeatedly tap your BIOS. While companies have different BIOS key, the most common ones are F2, F10, Dell or F12. Look up the BIOS key for your laptop or motherboard online, repeatedly pressing the key until you get your system's BIOS settings. Once you are in the BIOS, look for the Secure Boot option. You will be able to find it in the boot configuration. After which, you simply want to look for the Secure Boot option and toggle it on. Confirm any dialog or check that appears on your screen. Once you've actually done it, so what you need to do is now you want to go ahead and look for the settings to turn on the TMP model. You might find it labeled as Internal Trusted Platform Model, Technology, or just TPM device. Simply toggle on the settings and configure any dialog box that appears. And finally, tap the restart button to reboot your PC and log into your Riot client as usual. And double check if the Vanguard running and then run the game and you've successfully fixed it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.